Hello, Jeff Helvin here with Ballen Brands, and today I'm going to show you how to create a custom 404 page using Elementor. So the 404 page is basically a page indicating that the URL that someone tried to access on your website is non-existent. Maybe it used to be there. There might be a bad link to it. It could be an old search engine results that maybe the page has moved and we don't have a redirect set up. So there could be an instance where it comes up. So I can go to my website and I can just to kind of check to see what I have, and I can type in just some gibberish that I know is not going to be found. And you'll see here we have a custom 404 page that has been set up. So these pages can be as sophisticated as you want. They can be funny, they can be branded, but the important part is that if it's just a default WordPress 404, a lot of times your website doesn't even show. It just has a little thing that says page not found 404. So there's no opportunity to keep that visitor and maybe guide them to where they want to go or help them find what they were looking for. So this is a video to kind of help make sure that you have that customized. Now we use Elementor with our WordPress websites, so we have that built in, the Elementor theme. And with Elementor Pro specifically, we're able to actually create a 404 template. Okay, so that's how this works, is we're creating 404 template, and then basically we're assigning that template as the 404 page. So I'm going to show you, walk you through how to do that now. So when I'm logged into my dashboard, I'm going to click under templates, and I'm going to go to theme builder. So what we're doing is we're adding a specific type of template page. So click on theme builder. And this shows us which elements we already have. Now you see I already have a 404 page in here because we've already done this, of course, on our own websites. But we're going to act like that's not there. But you'll see there's other default pages that we have set up here. Single page, archives, those types of things. So what I'm going to do, though, is assuming we didn't have the 404 page, I'm going to go ahead and click up here on the Add New. So when I click on Add New, you will see, again, this wouldn't be here, right? We've already created this template, so that's why it's there. But we'll assume that's not there for the purpose of this demo. And we're just doing a single page. That's all we're trying to do. We're not doing a post or an archive or anything simple or sporadic like that. We're actually just doing a single page. I'm going to go ahead and click on single page. All right, now that loads up my option. So I'm now creating new things. Now I can go to blocks, pages, I can look at my templates. I'm going to go to pages if I wanted to create something sophisticated and go to the details, right? Something that's already laid out. Maybe I want something more extravagant. But if I just go to blocks, you'll see I can just simply add, page titles, right? Something very simple, that kind of thing. So I'm just going to go with blank because I'm not doing anything really intense here. I just want to do something simple, and so I'm just going to go ahead and start with something blank. We'll insert that. All right, so now you'll see by default I've already got my template that's loaded in, my footer, all that's already in there. So now I can just build a page like I would normally build any kind of page. So I'm going to go ahead and go to, let's see here, let's go pull up a widget. I could do, let's say, the search form, right? I want to give them the option to search, so I can drag that in there. I could do just a simple text editor here. So we're just going to pop that in. Maybe we'll do that above, and we'll say something like, we're so sorry. We don't want you to not find what you're looking for. Please use the form below or the navigation above to find what you're after. Okay, I'm just making this up on the fly. Maybe that's not the best message, but so the idea is that you're just building a page here. Maybe I'll go ahead and give it a title as well, or a heading. So let's go ahead and drag that, and we'll just say we messed up. Something, right? We can make it funny. We can add an image, maybe something that looks like, your heart's broken, or, you're longing or missing something, right? It can be fun. It can be entertaining, but the point is we want it to be functional, right? And we want it to be purposeful. So again, the default WordPress 404 pages are just simply just a blank page. It just says page not found. It's just very functional, right? Very literal. So in this case, we want to build something that's more customized, and again, we can give it some personality if we want to as well. All right, so let's go ahead and say I am good with this. This is all I wanted. I got it all built the way I like to have it. I'm going to go ahead and hit publish. Now, when I hit publish, it's asking me where do you want to display your template. So I have the option here to choose where this template is going to exist. So 404 page is already built in as an option for Elementor. So I can actually just click 404 page and then we're all set. Now in this case, it says Elementor recognize you have the set location for other templates. So it's just letting me know that because I've already set this up, that it's already there. So you wouldn't see this message as the first time you're setting it up. So that's it. We're going to include 404 page. We click save and close, and Elementor does all the work in the background. It already does, it updates the code and basically a note on the server that says when someone accesses a page that doesn't exist, please send them here to this template. And that's it. We just save it, close it, and we're all set, ready to go. So not something you would need to go do on a regular basis. We don't need to go create a bunch of custom pages, set up redirects or URLs, anything like that. It's all built into Elementor, which is a really nice feature and one of the reasons why we like using a tool such as this one. So if you have any questions on that, by all means, you can reach out to us at team@ballenbrands.com.